Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Whew. It's been a long time, y'all. I know. I ain't been consistent with my videos, but I have a new video for you today. For those of you who like start to finish videos, this is really not going to be that kind of video because as you can see, we already have chairs covered and we're putting on chair sashes and rearranging the room. But this is kind of a different approach to my videos because I normally just let the time lapse play and you just see start to finish. But I wanted to explain what this event was or was about. So this was a wedding we did in late October. So we pretty much had to do a room flip, which meant the first part of the day, the room was set up as a ceremony. And the second part or half of the day, it was flipped to a reception venue. It was a beautiful venue, beautiful location. Everything really was perfect. It's the perfect venue to do events or host events. But you'll see in this video, I am just kind of moving tables onto the reception floor. Now, the way the chairs are set up now is partially the way it was set up during the event or the ceremony. With the exception of us moving a few, before I actually turned on the camera. So my wife is going around putting on the chair sashes and I am moving the tables to where they need to be, pretty much. This right here was a struggle. 0 out of 10, do not recommend having to do something like this, especially when you only have a team of 2. And I know I'm crazy. For those of you out there who do events, y'all probably say, well, you should hire more help, blah, blah, blah. I don't like asking for help, and then I don't like having to pay out money that could go in my pocket if I don't have to. So I counted up the cost and the time, and I knew we could do it. I knew we could make it happen, so we did it. With the exception of a delay with the ceremony, which did shave an hour off of our time, so I almost went crazy, but we made it happen, and you'll see that later in this video. So just stay tuned, keep watching. And if you're not already a subscriber, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Make sure you turn on the bell so you can watch and know if my videos are being uploaded and when they're uploaded. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you do like my content. If you have any comments, you have any questions, any feedback on anything, that's what that comment section is for. And I do appreciate any comments that I get. It lets me know, what you think about my content, what I should or shouldn't do, what you recommend, what you like, what you don't like. So leave some feedback so we can talk in the comment section. So I will try to let you enjoy the rest of this video, but yeah, I'll try to let you enjoy the rest of this video. Thank you.